Want to know exactly where your air conditioning condenser unit gets its power from and how that works with your electrical panel inside the house? Alright, so here's the scoop. Your condenser unit is basically powered by your home's main electrical panel. The electrical panel, which you probably have in a basement, garage, or utility room, sends electricity through a dedicated circuit breaker just for the AC. This breaker is important because it controls the flow of power and helps prevent overloads that could trip the system or even cause damage. The power travels through a special wire, often called the condenser wire, which links the panel to the outdoor AC unit. That wire runs through a disconnect box located near the condenser, so you can safely cut power for repairs or maintenance without messing with the whole house. Inside the condenser unit, the power runs the compressor and the fan motor, two key parts that make your AC cool your home. Without this connection, nothing would turn on, and you'd be sweating bullets in no time. So yeah, keeping that electrical setup safe and well-maintained is a must for smooth AC operation all summer long. One of the biggest mistakes with condenser unit power setups is ignoring the circuit breaker size. If it's too small, it keeps tripping and messing up your AC's cooling. Fix that by having a pro check and install the right breaker size based on your unit's specs. Another common issue is worn or loose wiring between the panel and condenser, which can cause power interruptions or even fire hazards. Getting an electrician to inspect and tighten connections regularly is a good move. Lastly, skipping the disconnect box or having a faulty one means you can't safely work on your unit, which puts you at risk. Always make sure there's a proper disconnect switch installed near your condenser unit for easy and safe power shutoff. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching and guesswork. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making it easier to get real jobs and grow their business.